In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this pop-out effect in Photoshop. Create a new document with these settings. Create a solid color adjustment layer. Pick any color for now. Open this mockup file. Download link in description. Double-click on this layer to open blending options. Follow the process. Press Ctrl-Alt-Shift-E keys to get a merged copy from all the below layers. Right-click and choose Select Pixels. Select bottom layer and press Delete key. Choose Rectangular Marquee tool. Convert it to Smart Object. Drag and drop it to main document. Press Ctrl-T, then adjust image size and position. Go to Select menu and choose Subject. Click on Mask icon. Convert it to Smart Object. Drag and drop it to main document. Press Ctrl-T, then adjust image size and position. Add a mask to layer. Hold Ctrl key and click on this area. It will make selection around the layer. Pick brush. Make sure foreground color is black. And hide this parts. Create a new layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to Select menu and choose Inverse. Create one more new layer. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to Select menu again and choose Inverse. Then add some shadows. This is the final result, and thanks for watching.